Hi, I'm Amy McCarthy, and I'm completing the Masters of Instructional Technology program at Kennesaw State University. I have loved getting my Masters in Instructional Technology, but if I'm to be honest, there were times it felt like an uphill swim. For the past 5 years, I have been teaching in private schools in the Atlanta area. Currently, I'm working at Mobile Minds as an educational consultant and present professional development workshops about the Google Classroom to Clayton County teachers. I also work at Woodstock Elementary School as their computer lab teacher. Being in this master's program has grown me professionally in many areas. At the start of this program, I felt like an underdog in the world of technology and among my peers. I had been teaching at a classical education school that did not use technology in the classrooms. I felt so far behind my cohorts with technology, lingo, and all the current pedagogies of teaching with technology. I would never have believed in less than 2 years I would be leading technology workshops at the county level. Through this master's program, my confidence in my technology skills has grown tremendously. I have completely given up TV in order to play catch-up with my cohorts. I have spent hours studying and watching EdTech tutorial videos. I've also had to let go of the idea of a teacher-directed classroom and for a more student-directed learning environment, which has given me the courage to not have to be so perfect and allow for the up-fails that grow my students. I've also had to become a very creative problem solver, a person who does not accept no or any excuses. I've had to come up with creative ways to hold technology professional development workshops at a school that did not use technology. I feel like I had many major accomplishments throughout this program. One of them was the idea of getting an online teaching certification. When I knew that that was an option, my first answer to that was no. But I took it on with gusto and I received it. I loved creating the online blended learning environment for my students. The unit that I created was about ancient Greece, and the students really loved it. They asked me to create more units, which I did for them. I've also loved teaching teachers to use blogs, Flipgrids, and the Office OneNote. My biggest accomplishment was leading technology to Clayton County school teachers. My favorite part of being an instructional technology coach is helping teachers get over their fears of technology and watching them create amazing lessons that get their students excited about learning. When I work with a teacher who goes from being fearful of hitting a button and losing everything to walking by her classroom and hearing her say the word, "Your homework tonight is blogs," or "You will be doing a Flipgrid tonight for your assignment," it just lights up my heart to know that she is really stepping into the world of 21st century teaching. For my future goals, I want to continue to expand my instructional technology skills. I don't want to fall behind again and have to play catch up. I want to continue growing my skills as a computer lab teacher at my school. I want my work with Mobile Minds to continue and to grow my skills in designing and presenting professional development for educators. To sum up Cohort 28, I think we've been a cohort of perseverance. It has not been a long race. It has been many short races, one after the other, where we have encouraged and supported each other. Cohort 28 rocked. You were the best cohort ever. I also want to thank all of our Kennesaw State University professors for your patience, time, encouragement, and support over the past 2 years. We couldn't have done it without you. Thank you.